NMDC Recruitment of Maintenance Assistant and Field Attendant. For maintenance assistant and field attendants, there will be technical and non-technical questions. We will solve a total of 50 non-technical questions. In this video, we will solve 25 non-technical questions on Indian Constitution. In the next video, we will solve the next 25 questions. In this channel, you will find many other videos on NMDC general knowledge. Please watch those for preparation of NMDC recruitment exams. This is part 6. Where is the concept of welfare state in the Constitution of India included? Directive principles. Panchayati Raj System is implemented first by which state of India? Rajasthan. Who chairs the joint meeting of both houses of parliament? Speaker of Lok Sabha. What is the body responsible for making recommendation for distribution of finance between union and the states? Finance Commission. Which one among the following is the constitutional body of India? The answer is Election Commission of India. Who is the head of the state executive? The governor. Which is the part of Parliament of India? All the above. What does 8th schedule of the Constitution of India deal with? Languages. Who appoints chairman of State Public Service Commission? Governor of the state. Who elects the Vice President of India? Members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What is the maximum member strength of the Lok Sabha in India? 552. The Municipal Corporation is headed by whom? Mayor. Who is the commander of the armed forces in India? President. Who of the following president have the longest tenure of presidential post? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the national flower of India? Lotus. Which of the following is called the medium level of Panchayati Raj system? Panchayat Samiti. In which of the following state first time Panchayati Raj system was introduced? Rajasthan. Which country has given the concept of democratic government? Greece. Who is called the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who appoints the Chief Justice of High Court and other justices of High Court? Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Chief Secretary of a state is the Chief of Public Service. Who administers the oath of justice to Supreme Court judges? The President. Ministry of Lok Sabha comes under Ministry of Parliament Affairs. What is the minimum age required to contest for presidentship? 35 years. When was the Constituent Assembly set up? November 1946. In the next video, we will solve the next 25 questions. In this channel, you will find many other videos on NMDC general knowledge. Please watch those for preparation of NMDC recruitment exams.